Sam. Third time lucky, hopefully. Hi, Liz. Right, silly question, but I am live in BoXession, aren't I? Not on my own personal Facebook page. Right, so obviously I've just had some kind of internet problems and it went off, so I have actually opened it and started the unboxing. So it's not sealed anymore, but I've put the bits back in and I'll do it again. So as I pointed out earlier, so basically it's pocket notebooks. It's £21 a month and it's, thank you Sam, and it's a monthly subscription for a stationery subscription box. You can get it monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly. And I do like this bit. It's addressed to the wonderful Kate Smith, so I thought that was quite cute. Yes, Bonnie, I'm back. Hopefully it won't go off this time. Hi, Hayley. And the box is was sealed, but obviously I opened it in my last live. Pocket notebooks. It came by Royal Mail and it came first class large letter, so fits for your letterbox. So no waiting for the postman. No, I didn't have time for it either. So there's no waiting in for it. You'll just find it there on your doormat, which is great. We like that. So I've put everything back in and tried to seal it and make it look as nice as possible. It's obviously not sealed, so I'll just hold the bits in. So again, it's got the Pocket Notebooks logo there. And was sealing tissue paper. And we got a little like info about what it is. So it's pocket notebooks. Their slogan is "Forget the app. There's a pocket notebook for that." This is the curated subscription, number 9, November 2017. Welcome to the 9th curated subscription box. For each box dispatched, £1 is donated to our partner, the National Literacy Trust. They work to improve the reading, writing and listening skills in the UK's most disadvantaged communities, where up to 40% of people have literacy problems. Why not check out their site? And this month's collection is metals. It then tells you a little bit about the items in the box. I'm not going to read them out until I've actually got them, pulled them out of the box. It says there's a couple of little extras in it. This collection has been brought to you by Claire and Stuart. Nero is nursing Mrs. Pocket Notebooks, who is recovering from an operation on her wrist. Please say hi on the site, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or even YouTube. We love hearing from you. If you have any items that you would like to see in the sub boxes, let us know. We hope that you enjoy the subscription. If you don't, tell us. If you do, tell your friends. There you go. Right, so the first thing I'm going to take out are these. So the little A6 notebooks, and it's actually a pack of 2 and they're in like a goldy bronzy colour. You see that? Nice pretty colour. So obviously the small notebooks, hence the name Pocket Notebooks. It's a pack of two, and they are by Luke Term 1917. Luke Term. So the little jotters, we've got 60 numbered pages, blank table of contents, 32 perforated and detachable pages. I actually like perforated pages in notebooks. Thread bound book. It opens flat. It's got a sticker for labelling. It's acid free paper. 80 gram N2, so it's I think that'll be the GSM. Yeah. So it's 80 GSM, so it's 80 gram square metered. So it's quite good quality paper. High ink compatibility, and the dimension is 90 by 150 millimeter, which is approximately A6, like we said earlier. So I'll just take a little label what's binding them together. Take that off. And they're both exactly the same. They're quite nice, and they've got on the back, it's got the logo, the brand name like embossed into it, if you can see that. So it says Luke Term 1917. I don't know how to say that word, by the way. I'm guessing. I think it kind of looks like it looks a bit German. So yeah, it's very nice paper. So you've got your first page, which is your contents page. And then each page is numbered like it says. And ooh, the stickers are quite nice actually. And then you've got the two sticker labels. And can you see they're like gold foiled as well? Actually quite nice. I can't see where they're perforated. It did say they were perforated. Oh right, so actually only some of it's perforated. Yeah, so the first half isn't perforated, the second half is. Yeah, so the second half of the notepad is perforated. It's a bit silly that only half of it's perforated, but all the pages are numbered. Right, so yeah, and I assume this is exactly the same. Yeah, exactly the same. Get another two other stickers. Half of it's perforated. And it's string bound numbered pages. So yeah, they're quite cute. Let's put those to one side. They're handy for work, because obviously I work in care and we do like take a lot of notes. The like would fit nice. Well, obviously it's called pocket notebooks, but they would fit nicely in my tunic pocket. Right, so it says about the one I've just shown you. It actually says in their centenary year. I have to say that word again. Like term 1917, jot books. The talk is that LT 1917 are now second only to Moleskine in sales. I do love the Moleskine notebooks. The jot books are pocket notebooks with a perfect bind, great paper that can handle pretty much anything. These are in Stewart's EDC rotation, Your pack of 2 might be gold, silver or copper, lined or plain. Yep, so we got, I would imagine that's the copper. And obviously we got lined. You know what, it would have been better if you'd like, with it being a pack of 2, if you got like a lined and a plain. There you go, that's food for thought. Right, so the second one, the second thing I'm going to show you is, it's another notebook. It's in gold. It's a lot, obviously bigger. It's hardback. It's got the like elastic binder there to keep it closed, and it's plain. Yeah. And let's see what it says about it on the back. It's by the Light Term 1917 again. 187 numbered pages, table of contents, 12 perforated sheets, expandable pocket, 2-page markers, thread-bound book, sticker for labelling and archiving. It's the GSM is 80 GSM, acid-free paper, high ink compatibility, and it's 90 by 150 millimetre. So again, it's about A6. Loads. I have so many Bonnie Joe. It's like my stationery collection. It's like ridiculous. It takes up a spare room. They would all just sit in my drawer, lol. So yeah, it's very cute. I like this. Let's have a look inside. So it's gold. It's like pretty much the same size as the jotters. I imagine they're the copper coloured ones. This is obviously the gold one. Well, they are copper. This is gold. The only other colour was silver. Again, it's embossed on the back with the Lactum 1917, however we're saying it, the logo. So details make all the difference. So there it tells you a bit about, yeah, it just tells you basically about the notebook. And we've got a thank you very much for purchasing Lightstrom's 1917 product. For 100 years we have been developing our products in firm belief that details matter. May we wish you a lot of pleasure with the a lot of pleasure with this product. Merci beaucoup. I'm not going to read it in French. It just says the same again in French. Right, so let's have a look. So you've got the contents page again. It's nice paper again. I do like the paper. It's not the brilliant white, it's the one, like, it's just like the slightly off-white, I think, which always looks nice when, like, you write something official. So we've got numbered blank pages in the front. I think it says some of these are perforated, but again, it's not the whole pad, it's I think it said 12 pages. They're all blank. And we've got the stickers for labelling there again. Again, they're gold foiled. Absolutely lovely. So they match. And we've got the expandable file at the back where you can like keep your notes, keep receipts, anything like that. There you go. So yeah, it is a nice book. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's got the dividers, the ribbon dividers as well. These are really nice actually. You see those? So we've got the, you see that one, that was really pretty. Like in gold and like a gold and a bluey grey, like slaty colour. You can't really pick it up on the camera. And it's got 2 of the page markers, which is nice. Then obviously you can bind it closed with the elastic. Let's just see what it says about this one on the letter. So number 2 is Double Trouble, more LT 1917, this time in the pocket hardback format. Again, in one of the 3 metal colours. These are serious notebooks for serious things, recording your festive musings, presents lists. These colours are so festive, you could hang them on the tree. So then it says, extras, more metal, the most elaborate paperclip ever, and a little chocolate taster to warm you up for the culinary assault of December. This collection has been brought to you, then we read that bit earlier. So, and then we've got 3 little extras, which is this paperclip in gold, and just one of those. And 2 little quality streets, obviously similar colours. Yeah, so the box is £21, obviously a pound of that goes towards charity, so it's basically 3 notebooks. I would have liked to see more in it, to be honest. I've reviewed quite a lot of stationery boxes, and it's probably not the best one I've reviewed. They're really nice quality. I think even like maybe like a nice pen or something like that to go in with it at the price of £21. I'm really comparing it to like other ones what I have reviewed before, and I'm thinking the other ones I've reviewed have always been around £15, and you've actually got so much more. But yeah, I do think if you had like a really nice pen and maybe a few of the, like even a pack of the paper clips or something, yeah, then it'd be worth a lot more to me. But yeah, but no, Bonnie Jo, I wouldn't sell my soul for it. I think it is a little bit pricey, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, it's really good quality, and I know you like the branded notebooks are expensive. I do buy the moleskin ones, and for a tiny one I can be paying like £10. But yeah, I think just comparing to other ones, I think when we get subscription boxes, we want them to be worth, we want the value to be worth more than what we're paying. We don't want to get something in a subscription box which we could go to the shop and buy for the same price, if you get me. But yes, that's my honest opinion. I'm not gonna lie, I think it is a little pricey for what it is. It could, and like I say, even a nice pen, and you can pick like really nice pens up these days for like a couple of £. That would have like made it like a nice little pen to like pop in your handbag with the notebooks. But yeah, I actually feel like really bad because it's I am like slightly a little bit disappointed. I don't like saying that I'm disappointed. I'm not disappointed in the products. They are nice products, but I don't think I'd want to pay £21 for them. But yeah, I do think a pen would have like really made the box. A nice like gold pen, not real gold, obviously. Emma Bizzle's Job, yes. So it's the LT 1917, you get the notebook, and it's blank inside. It's got the elastic holder. It's hardback. It's blank pages. They're all numbered pages. And it's got the 2 ribbon. But the whole point of it is let people give feedback to the company. Two ribbon page markers. And then the first item I picked out was the pack of 2 jotter books. These are lined and these are in the copper colour. Lined numbered pages, half of them are perforated as well. I do like perforated pages. I'm a bit OCD with notebooks and I do like perforated pages. I haven't got my hand back up here, but I always buy like another brand of notebook with perforated pages, because I hate ripping them out and having like a mess. I like to rip it off nice and neat. So I'm a bit sad like that. And then we got on the little jotter book quarter pack of 2, and all 3 of them like A6 in size. 2 little quality streets and a paper clip. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. But the whole point of the review is to let people know and give feedback to the company. And they are pretty small. Yeah, it's not the size, Emma. It is called Pocket Notebooks, the subscription, so I expect them to be small. I just maybe expected a little bit more. I think obviously we're all addicted to subscription boxes, and the whole point of getting them is that you're getting to try things what you wouldn't necessarily always try in the boxes. Usually the box value is usually like a lot more than like a lot more than the retail price. But yeah, like I say, I think a nice pen would have like made me feel a lot better about the price. But yeah, I think £21 probably is a bit steep for this particular box. But yes, and it's let people, and yeah, Bonnie Jo, I know that's what we're here for. We do honest reviews. It's just a little bit uncomfortable though when you're like saying, well, actually, I don't think it's worth it. I won't pay that. But no, hopefully they'll take it. It's constructive criticism. Hopefully they'll take it on board. And yeah, not worth when you expect the value of the stuff in it to be worth more than you pay for the box, and in this case it doesn't seem like you are getting your money's worth. Emma Bizzle's job. I think you're probably getting your money's worth, but probably about your money's worth. I know, like, obviously what I pay for, like, the Moleskine notebooks, they're not cheap. So, but yeah, I will do a review, and I'll do an honest review, and hopefully they'll, like, take it on board. And to be honest, I haven't seen, this is the 9th box, I haven't seen the other 8 boxes, so you don't know. Obviously, subscription boxes have good months and have bad months. And another thing, someone might absolutely love this particular box. Everybody's opinions are different. That's just my personal opinion. So even more small items, I could add that are inexpensive. Yeah, that's what I'm saying about a pen. You can pick like a nice pen up for, I think you get, you've seen like the gold ones, like not real gold obviously, but you'll have seen the gold ones with like the little shaky bits in the top. Like one of those would have gone really nice in here. You pick them up for £1. And yeah, it like look lovely with the notebooks. And I think like one paper clip, even like 5 or 6 of those, just in a nice little organza bag or something, would have just like jazzed it up a bit and made it feel a bit more expensive. Yeah. But Anyway, guys. But yeah, anyway, I'm finished. Hi, Farah! But yeah, I'm finished and I'll write the review up and I'll be honest, and hopefully they won't hate me and they'll like take it on board a little bit. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!